Hi guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Jane Mare again, and for today's video, we're going to the beach with my MKB friends. So they're gonna pick me up here, and then some of my friends, they asked me if, are you still in vlogging? Are you still doing vlog? I said, no, not for now, because my phone was like the iPhone 6, and then my phone is like full storage, no more space, so I have to delete some, but I can't delete some of my videos there. So I got a new phone, and this will be my new phone or new camera for vlogging. So I'm gonna start vlog again. And yeah, this is me right now, and then we're going to the beach. So I'm waiting for my friends because she's gonna pick me up here, and then my other friends are waiting for me, and we are hit by Typhoon Odette, last December 16, 2021. So for now, at the moment, we don't have electricity, and then this morning the generator was on, and then we have electricity for, I think, for 7 hours. I don't know, 7 hours or 5 hours, and then now there's no more electricity again. Then it's blackout, so I can't charge. So I will bring my charger just in case we go to the municipio, because we're gonna charge there. And I'm just gonna wear a formal attire or something for the beach, because I can't swim anyway, because I have dalaw, and girls know that. So every month we have that. I can't swim, and then but I'm gonna go there just to have fun and just to relax something. They message me right now that we're just gonna chat them, or we're gonna update them if we're on the way to the poblacion this year. Hey! Nag-vlog today. Why you're so pretty? This is one of my member of the member of MKB. So they okay, and then you will see the other MKB members later. So I'm gonna change my clothes for now, and then I will just come back. Bye. Guys, ano ko sa balay sa akong amiga. Hi. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm
This is the It's really nice.
anything Filipino junk food.
You want
Junk
denga?
food. And also,
You want
do you
me?
want kuan?
Do you like my sing? Ako. So, I'm with my baby. Hi! Hello! Wala siya. So, ayan! Go!